Hi, my name is Janet Gano. I live at Pier 31, which is probably the most hidden gem in the city of Belleville. We live in the heart of the city, but it's like we live somewhere else because it's so quiet, so peaceful, and absolutely breathtakingly beautiful. We purchased the CanadaDocks system because, first of all, it's Canadian made, and I love that about it. But what happened was 2017, our initial dock that is right behind me, we've had it for 32 years, but we had floods. The water rising is a huge problem now for anybody that lives on the water and the lakes and so on. So yeah, we had a big problem, and what happened was it damaged our dock. It shifted everything, it broke it all up. So what we did is we formed a dock committee, if you will, among all the owners here, and decided to take this project on and refurbish our dock. And CanadaDocks, to me, was our best option. And I dealt with Greg Clements, Clemco and company, him and his wife. I cannot say enough about them. I seriously cannot. He was so accommodating and so helpful. Every question I had, he answered, no problem at all. Greg brought the dock down, he installed the dock, and he's going to come back and he's going to take it out for us to show us how to do that. So purchasing an aluminum dock was incredibly important to us because, in all honesty, we don't want to have to deal with lifting out this big heavy dock. We felt that we should have a removable dock because when we had the Quinte Conservation here giving us the permit to do all of this, you know, they pretty much indicated that this is what we're up against. Every year we're going to have this, or every other year we're going to have this water that's going to rise. It's going to be lifting docks, it's going to be moving docks. And so we thought our best option would be to have something that we can easily take in and out. And if need be, it's my understanding it's only going to take a couple of people to, you know, hop in the water. And then the water, as you can see right now, is not that deep. But regardless, it was just basically ease of operation. Our dock at night is spectacular. I wish you were here at night because we have the solar lights, and he also suggested my little ring on the end there, the safety ring, which I love because it gives that feel. It gives that real nautical feel, I think, and that was the other thing that we wanted. The owners here, we felt, you know, we lived on the water. We wanted to be able to. We don't necessarily have to, you know, swim in the particular water, but we have lots of kayakers, we have lots of canoeists here, and our water depth does not accommodate motorized vehicles at all. But anyway, what we got is exactly what we wanted. So I'm talking to my neighbor, and she said, Janet, I just have to tell you, she said, the dock is beautiful. I said, I know, eh? It turned out so well. And she said, I get up very, very early in the morning. She said, before the sun gets up. And she said, and I look out, and she said, it's dark. I'm having my cup of tea. I'm sitting at the kitchen table. And she said, and then I see the lights, the solar lights out there. And I said, oh, are they too bright? Are they bugging? She said, absolutely not. She said, they're so soft. She said, it was just so relaxing for me just to sit here, have my tea, and look out on the water, on the dock, and have those lights. So that's exactly what I wanted. That's the beauty of this dock, the CanadaDocks dock. I mean, it hinges right on. So it's a matter of you've got these L bolts, I don't know what they're called, but anyway, they just slide in this, like I could do it. So anyway, I don't know that I will, but I could. But anyway, long story short, so we could also add on to this at any time. If we decide we want to take it out further, we just buy another section, you know, a couple more solar lights. I mean, it just doesn't get any easier than that, right? I would highly recommend CanadaDocks. I have suggested CanadaDocks, and I explained to them the whole system and how it works and how easy everything about it is in terms of even purchasing and dealing with Greg. And you know, I don't know any of your other dealers, but I do know what my personal experience is, and I would definitely recommend the company. All they have to do is come down and see it. I don't care who you are, you're going to look at it and think, yeah, you know what? That is really, really nice. It really fits here, and it's extremely functional. And the nice thing was it's not over the top expensive. I found it to be extremely affordable. And as I say, we were locked into a budget. This is everybody's money down here. This is everybody's dock. So